Unboxing my Boss SoundLink Micro portable speaker. See? This is sound versus power. Okay. This one. Okay. This one. Here it is. Super small. It comes with a strap, so you can use it on when you're doing biking. You have to put it on the metal there. Okay. This here, this is here. There. See? It's very nice, very small and heavy, a bit heavy. And here the strap, where you can put, the metal bar in your bike, so you can listen to the music while biking. It's very nice. Right, so this is the Boss SoundLink Micro portable speaker. It's like price is 39,900 KD, 900 fils KD. It's like $160. Okay, that's all guys. Thanks for watching.